Some people want it all. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Healing you, babe. Shame, this is literally a continuation of the live, the TikTok live. Didn't really come here to say anything, you know, just to say that I'm home. Hi Tappy. Tappy, when is our date? Because I think you said this week, but yeah, here from TikTok. Yes, guys. No, I just wanted to say I can't go live on TikTok until literally until tomorrow, because they found out that we were in motion. So that's what's happening. No, it can't be this one. So it's chai. Yeah, no, Tappy, text me because you said our date is this week and this week is gone. Bang Bamba for real, because they were like, oh, you think you're slick. Okay, at this point, they're just going to be like, this particular account, her and her friends, nah. I did. Is that like a good thing? But I did today, shame. But let's not tell Instagram people that this is how. Yeah, WhatsApp me, because when is our date? It's giving one of those WhatsApp group chats that always plan things and then they always fail. Why? Okay, I see your message. I'm not busy tomorrow. Is it weird that I'm gonna answer you here? Is it weird? Is it weird? I use the Essence gloss. Haters from TikTok are gonna say it's finished, but it's not. I use the Essence, but it finishes within like a week. Cause yeah, I don't know why. I believe in it. Really? How is it? Because I haven't actually watched it. Are you enjoying it? Do you understand what is being said? No, I'm not. Didn't get a ticket. Am I a loser? Does this make me a loser? Am I a loser now? Our date is tomorrow. Yay. I have a date tomorrow. There we go. I have a date. I don't like haters. I don't like people that are going to come here and say, oh no, but did you know that her lip gloss is finished? Is it? I should try her lip gloss. Yeah, I would. You see, that should be something that I like it when girls are doing the most. You know what I mean? I like it when girls are. That should be the next lip gloss that I actually purchase. I like the language. Yeah, that's like my home language. I'm enjoying it and learning from the show. Yeah, I really hope it's teaching you guys about the history of like our language, our culture. Period. Tati, are you doing? Girl, you don't know my life. You don't know my life. Yeah, I did my installation today, bruh, because I felt like I was rocking those condos for far too long, and I just needed to pick me up for when I go out. In a rush, baby. Yeah, shame. Don't worry, babe. Hopefully, if the stars are meant to align, then the stars will definitely align. I won't even have my lunch. I feel like, I mean, guys, I'm literally doing the most. I'm not sure about day by makeup because it's a bit tricky. But your hair is Tappy, one thing about you, you want to make a disclaimer every time you go out, telling me that, oh, just know I'm coming, but my outfit. And then when she comes, she's on some Nicki Minaj vibe with like Sabo McGreen wig out of nowhere, and I'm just like, you're the type of kids that say they did not study and then they get a distinction. What make it make sense? Because why did you get a distinction if we both said we did not study? So so when I don't trust you anymore, because and then you come here looking like fire. A maintenance day, yeah, because yeah, a lot of people are saying that. Call me out for what? For YouTube? They shouldn't call me out, bro. Yeah, she'll be there looking like a snack, and I'm just like, excuse me, say what? Beware. Thank you so much. Wait, what happened to my... Oh, yeah, I'm a Cancer, baby. I'm a Cancer. I don't have a TV, bruh, so I'm not watching. I don't have I don't even know. Thing is, also, I'm not so... I don't know much about YouTube, bruh. Like, I'll be there trying to figure out a lot of things. Like, how do I make shots? I didn't even know there were shots. You know, things like that. I think also there's still a bit of a lack of knowledge around that. So I'm just like, let me just mize. But guys, I'm not deliberately mising. Thank you so much. No, I'm at home now. I get we got banned on TikTok for live and driving. We got banned for live and driving. So I just came here as a disclaimer to say that, guys, just as I am, please. Don't worry, it's fine, guys. I removed the person, so there's no need. Live and driving, they were like, you're gonna get banned for 24 hours because you live and drive. Huh? You think you're smart? You live and drive, so so bye. And I don't even think I'm playing my playlists. Don't lie, not now. Let me show you my playlist. If you search my name, you will actually see the playlist that I created. That's if you're on Apple Music. Ngiyabonga. Oh. Nothing, baby. She just lives probably like 10 hours away from me now, bruh. Imagine. Far away. So there's really nothing to it. I don't have baby. But also DM me if that's actually true. Can a person without a TV even vote? Bruh, I was with those people yesterday. Literally. Well, not yesterday, but like, yeah. She's so pretty. She's the prettiest. She's literally the prettiest. I'm not even joking. Thank you. What are you guys doing for Women's Day? Guys, women, are we like... Should we expect something? Because I kind of want to expect... Should I expect like a gift? Should I actually expect something for Women's Day? I mean, I already don't get anything for Mother's Day. So, like, should I expect something for just being... I'm scared because eyebrows have different... There's a time where a certain shape is trending. Like, now I like the one that is a bit up because it kind of lifts your face. So, I don't want to get them and then, you know, things go in and out of trend. So, I don't want to have to regret anything. You think I'm able to speak on behalf of 24 people? I don't think I can, baby. When are you coming to Rabat? I'll probably... I could say, bruh, I don't know. But I'd like to actually go to Limpopo. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh, I should try new... I'm just scared. I think I'm operating at a... You know? I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a bit scared. Do you guys know how nice it is, like, going to vibes with me? And I'm here at home. Like, I'm literally here at home doing nothing. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know, like sometimes guys, in another country where he's supposed to be, you get me. Please, Adiola, please come and join and flog all these people. Flog them one but come and join and flog all these people. Yeah. Current location, Johannesburg. What am I doing? Sitting in the car. Like, you don't understand. Thank you so much. Yes, I am. I don't even know. Like, I literally came here to put a disclaimer and to shame people, to shame my own people. She didn't. To shame my own people that why at my account's expense do we have to be getting punished? Because you guys know how fun it is on the other side of the world, right? They know how much fun it is on the other side. Like, it's the most fun. Yeah, no, the other side is much more nice. Fighting for what now? Guys, please don't fight for me. Like, genuinely, there's nothing to fight. Like, you can only defend somebody that's bothered by something. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Lips, you see that I kind of had to come this side. Like, I'm an app juggler. I'm juggling apps. I'm not even hungry anymore, to be honest. I think I'm just gonna go to the gym. No, baby. It's just for 24 hours. It's just to say that we are not going to entertain you and your dangerous activities. Come back tomorrow once you are level-headed. So, the music is coming from here. I like the hair questions. Scream at the top of my lungs. No, guys, I got this from Sahab. I really hope I'm saying it right. So, guys, is it the hair or is it the girl that did the hair? Is it the girl that did the hair? Is it like... Yes, baby, I am. No, because it's the worst thing. I can't just chill. My mind is... I can't just chill, bruh. Imagine. Like, I swear to God, just being around me the whole day, you would laugh the entire time because you're just like, what's going on in this pretty girl's mind? Thank you guys so much. I've got nothing to do. It's the girl that did the hair, that did the things that need to be done. Thank you so much. I did my own hair and I want everybody in the entire universe to know about this. Like, thank you. And I appreciate that. No, I try, shame. But I must say, it really kind of takes a whole lot of patience. Oh my goodness. So yeah, guys, if you want to be my clients, I got you. One thing I could never get right is my eyebrows. I've got tattoos, baby, so I don't even think that's possible. Oh, I'm glad you appreciate it because I also enjoy it. I genuinely just enjoy it, I swear. Yeah, I know, Adiola, I know. You look prettier without makeup. Thank you. I think it's because my makeup skills are like a bit shaky. I think that's why. I think that's why, to be honest. I think I'm gonna go to the gym, guys, and I really don't want to go to the gym today. I wanted today to be my rest day, then I go Friday and on Saturday. Then Sunday I rest, then I go on Monday as well. But if I rest today, then tomorrow I need to go there in the morning because I have a date with Tappy. You don't understand. It's going well, baby. Let me taste this person and see. And see Wagwan. I'm craving pizza, but at the back of my mind, I'm just like, the devil is a liar. Thank you. Yeah, the gym does not close tomorrow. The gym is open. The gym is 100% open. I mean, they might close early, but they're going to open for sure. I will tell you. My cousin. Bella, my cousin. You wake up and try to finish your assignments. Really, that's really that is really it. That's really it, Shame. Let me bring back my charger. Did I leave my charger at the car wash? No, I didn't. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Because also, imagine. Yeah, oh yeah, no, baby, I found it. I packed it. Thank you. And it's time for me to actually disappear. She's good, she's great. Yeah. And it's time for me to actually like I didn't have one in the house. Common sense. But I mean, I can take it off and you and I can go band for band. I'm joking. But I can take it off and we can literally go band for band. You get me? We can go band for band. We can go. Where's that thing? And that's why you're here, baby. We can go M for M. You know what I like? At least I can't go live on TikTok, but I can at least watch TikToks. Yeah, I'm home now, guys. Like, I was not too far from home. I was not too far from home. Like I don't even think it was a 5 minutes drive. I genuinely don't think that. Hi guys, leave her alone. No, but leave them alone, Shame. Let me entertain you. Let me eat some of that data. Juju was actually supposed to join our live with Black Boy. Even Juju's compliments to me are banter. Like, I'll be looking good, and this man will be like, "Yes, Captain, you're up now, huh? You're up." I'm just like, "Is this a compliment? Or you just..." I don't know how to remove. There is one probably, but like, you get what I'm saying. Let me see. Make it make sense. Like, make it make sense, babe. You open the window. I'm actually burning. Bruh. No, there was, but now there isn't. Because apparently I enjoyed making skaftin so much. Because that's a trophy, right? Because that's like a trophy that you carry around. Hey, so come on. And even if there is, you guys, make it make sense. There was a song that I wanted to play actually. Said that you've been wasting time. Oh. It's not playing though, is it? Said that you were leaving. Okay, here it is. That you've been wasting time. Said that you were leaving us. So yeah, guys, I won't even eat anything at this point. I just need one person to tell me to. What's going on? I can't see. Okay. Ain't nobody perfect around me. You know you. I can feel you always around me. I know it's not a Porsche, baby. Oh, Tappy, you're actually Tappy, where are we going tomorrow? Like, I want to know where we're going tomorrow. Guys, can we discuss unprovoked? Wake up in the morning and you look like this, free of charge, free, mahala. Is it fair though? Is it fair? Wake up in the morning and you look like this. Guys, Tappy, you need to tell me where we're going, actually. It's not a Porsche, Sbongile. Sponisile. I missed your name. Sorry, baby. Apologies. TikTok banned me because you guys are naughty. Same spot in Santon. Oh, this girl does not like handling bills. Yo, I saw it. She lives far from me. We didn't get tickets, bruh. We didn't get tickets, like legit. Guys, I got my lashes done the other day. Tell me why when I removed them, I was left with nothing. Like, there is nothing. There is nothing. Nothing to hold anything anymore. Nothing. They love me. They love me, and that's okay, bro. Thank you so much. My nail tech is actually from Uganda, and there's this guy, he's always in my comment section, is a comedian in Uganda, and like every time I go get my nails done, they're just like, did you see that famous? And I didn't even know who the guy was. So I love you guys too. Yes, the natural ones are gone. Like, I didn't mind them, but like when I took them out, the natural lashes, like, nothing. I don't even think I can go and get my lashes done because they're just going to be like, what are we going to balance with, ma'am? Because you ain't got nothing. You ain't got nothing anymore. What are we going to balance with? Hi, Gwena, baby. Yes, that's Sesa Bud. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that's the one. That's the one. And they always just tell me about him. I was like, I didn't even know. I just thought it was somebody on my comment section. Yeah, but like my question is, does it... I did, and I didn't even have a... That day, if you guys... Yeah, that day I was just like, you know what? Because there were... Yeah, some of them were coming out, and then some of them I just needed to take out. I was just like... And the craziest thing is that I actually saw them. Like, I saw them. So my question is, how long does it actually take for me to grow them? Thank you, Google. Oh, gosh. Guys, sometimes saying your names, and I never want to butcher anybody's name. Baby, I gotta be honest. I will do it again. Do I listen? I don't listen. I don't listen. My first time driving alone was how many years ago? 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I don't know. It was Sandton or Rosebank. Let's meet up in Sandton. And then we can go to Rosebank, Tapi. My first time was... My little brother taught me how to drive, so it was not the cutest thing. I was the type to occupy 2 lanes type of vibe. You know, I own the world and stuff. I own these streets and stuff. But that was a long time ago. You like it at first. When you're used to it, you enjoy it, and then now it becomes a responsibility. Now you don't like it anymore because, yeah, it's a responsibilities. Do you drive long distance? I went to Limpopo when I had my thingy. That was like a 6-hour drive. Yeah, it was not nice, but yeah, I'm not the type to rest. I just want to get it over and done with. I was with my little brother. 6 hours later, we made it, and then when I came back with Yaya and Nandi, because they came with like my other brother. So coming back, I drove back with them. So yeah, which was like a 5-hour drive again. It's not nice because now you're responsible. So it's not nice, Shem. It's never nice, to be honest. I bought my hair at Sahab. Yeah. I bought the hair from Sahab, yeah. At least I'm wearing a wig. Why, Chomi? It's not then. It's a lot. I'm so lazy to go inside, bruh. I'm so lazy. I was literally on a call with him. No, baby, but I mean, you get used to it. I think my problem is that I look like my dad. I do. I really do. The sunscreen that I'm using right now, it's not even the best. I use the CeraVe one, but like it leaves it's got that purple undertone that you get. No, baby, I'm not coming to Nigeria this year. It leaves that purple-ish undertone. So when you're in the sun, looking kind of ghosty. Here's Yaya, guys. So it leaves you with that purplish, yeah, but that's the one that I use, and I bought like the big bottle. Oh, I'm glad. Guys, what happened to our girl? Why did she leave? She came here with such bad energy and then she left. Why? It's like when they come, you don't want them to be here, but when they leave, you kind of get sad. Malawi, I would. Probably. I almost said something and I'm so glad that I didn't. Oh, I'm so glad that I didn't. Oh, hi, Moche, you're here as well. The clear that you... Yeah. No, yeah, it does. It really does, but it's not an overnight thing. Don't expect to use it and then in 3 days... Oh, hi, Biggie. Don't expect to use it for 3 days and then it clears your skin. That's not how this thing works, right? Probably use it for a month and you'll actually start seeing the difference. Because these quick fixes, like I always say, they're not to be trusted. They are not to be trusted, Shane. Let me play one song and then leave and go to the gym once. And just go to the gym. Guys, it's not nice stay by gym. It's not nice. Yeah, I promise you. It's a tissue oil that's got glycerin inside, so it'll really like moisturize your skin. Oh, thank you. Oh, cheers. You like, even if Mati, you can also like mix it with your current lotion that you're using. Everywhere. But I'm trying to get it to you, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, I miss you too. Which Yaya? But I'm trying. Thing is, when you don't have an instructor, bruv, literally, you just have to force yourself to get the work done because at least they push you. So a whole lot of discipline. Because you can say you went to the gym, but did you actually get work done? You know? Guys, after this song, I'm leaving. It's been good. It's been great. Yeah, this is probably my last time coming live on Instagram. He's good. You love my head shape? Really? Hi, I'll be a fool. But I'm trying to give it to you, baby. No ways. I think the music is too low, so it won't. Ugh, I'm leaving anyways. But I'm trying to give it to you. But why is the temperature so high? Thank you so much, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy your day. Continue being positive. Don't let anything get to you. I know some of these things that I say are cliche, but I promise you, all these negative energies, that are not worth it. Right? Tell me why I love this girl that just joined my life so much. A hard worker, I guess, Anna. The hardest. Tati, how can I be you? You can be my sister. So yeah, all the cliche things, they're not cliche for anything, you know. They are repetitive for a reason, because bye guys. Let me close this water bottle so I can leave with it. I'm a bit disorganized. If you actually look closely, you'll see that I'm nothing but a disorganized girly. Okay, let me. Yo, Tappy, Osara, bye. Get like, oh, I'm calling you right now. Let me just put this on. I'm not going anywhere. I've reached my destination. So I'll probably go change and go to the gym. Oh, thank you. Really? That is so nice. That actually just made my day. Okay. I have jeans. Guys, please understand that before we even got here, we were live on TikTok and we did a whole thing. Fit check, everything. We had we spent literally the entire day before I even came back here. So, yeah. Sana, please send it because I think you've seen that I've struggled enough. So confused. But yeah, guys, let me call Tappy. Bye. Oh, you guys. Oh, but I did say. I even said on my Twitter that we're going live. So we spent the whole day together, and then, something happened. That's why we ended up coming here. So yeah. Okay, guys. Bye. Love you.